Did you know that 1 tablespoon of olive oil a day may support your heart, your brain, your bones, your liver, and even your digestion? It sounds like a miracle, but science is finally catching up with centuries of Mediterranean wisdom. Olive oil is not just a fat. It is a functional food, rich in antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and healthy fats that your body can use to fight disease, not just fuel calories. In fact, some researchers even call it liquid gold. That is because this simple, golden liquid has been linked to longer life, reduced risk of heart disease, lower inflammation, and better metabolic health. And the best part? You do not need to drink a bottle a day. Just 1 spoon each morning can make a difference, when used the right way. But not all olive oils are equal. To get the full benefits, you need to choose the right type, extra virgin olive oil. And you need to use it correctly. In today's video, we will break down the 5 key health benefits of just 1 spoon of extra virgin olive oil a day. We will also cover how it works inside your body, how much is enough, and who should avoid it. Let's get started. Number 1. Heart health support. Many people think of olive oil as just another cooking fat. But in reality, extra virgin olive oil is one of the most heart-friendly foods on the planet. What makes it so special? The answer lies in its powerful mix of healthy monounsaturated fats, polyphenols, and antioxidants. First, let's talk about cholesterol. Several studies show that replacing saturated fats like butter or lard with olive oil can lower LDL cholesterol, the bad kind that clogs arteries. At the same time, olive oil may help raise HDL cholesterol, the good kind that helps clear away artery buildup. This balance is key to keeping your arteries clean and flexible. Next is blood pressure. In a well-known study from Spain, people who consumed about 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil per day saw their systolic blood pressure drop by 7 points on average. That is a meaningful improvement, enough to reduce stroke and heart attack risk in the long run. Why does this happen? It is because olive oil improves the flexibility of blood vessels and reduces oxidative stress. Now let's talk about atherosclerosis, hardening of the arteries. This is a slow, silent process where plaques form inside your arteries, increasing your risk of heart disease and stroke. The polyphenols in olive oil help fight this by reducing inflammation and preventing oxidation of LDL cholesterol, a key step in plaque formation. In other words, olive oil does not just manage numbers like cholesterol and blood pressure. It actually helps protect the inner lining of your blood vessels. And the best part? You do not need large amounts. Just 1 spoon a day. Used in salad dressing, drizzled over vegetables, or as a dip for bread, can make a meaningful difference over time. So if you are looking for a simple, natural way to protect your heart, 1 spoon of extra virgin olive oil per day may be one of the easiest places to start. Number 2. Reduce inflammation and support brain health. Chronic inflammation is one of the most silent threats to your health. It does not cause pain right away, but over time, it can damage your blood vessels, your joints, your gut, and even your brain. This is where olive oil comes in. Extra virgin olive oil is rich in polyphenols, natural plant compounds that help fight inflammation at the cellular level. One of these compounds is oleocanthal, which has effects similar to anti-inflammatory drugs like ibuprofen. That means olive oil may help reduce inflammation without the side effects of medication, when used regularly as part of your diet. But what does this have to do with your brain? Inflammation in the brain is one of the key drivers of cognitive decline and neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. When brain cells are inflamed, they become less efficient, and signals between neurons slow down. Over time, this may lead to memory problems, slower thinking, and eventually brain damage. Several studies suggest that people who consume olive oil regularly, especially as part of the Mediterranean diet, have better memory, stronger focus, and lower risk of dementia. One long-term study from the US showed that older adults who ate olive oil daily had up to 30% lower risk of cognitive decline. Why? Because olive oil not only reduces inflammation, but also helps protect the brain from oxidative stress, another factor that damages neurons. It also supports blood flow to the brain, which means your brain gets more oxygen and nutrients. So if you are worried about brain fog, memory issues, or aging-related decline, a spoon of olive oil each day may be a simple step toward better brain health. And again, the key is consistency, not taking a large dose once, but making it a daily habit. Number 3. Lower blood fat and support liver health. When we talk about heart disease and metabolic problems, one hidden issue is often high blood fat. This includes high LDL cholesterol and high triglycerides, two types of fat in your blood that can silently cause damage. High levels of LDL cholesterol can build up in your arteries and increase your risk of heart attack. Triglycerides, on the other hand, are fats stored from excess calories, especially from sugar and refined carbs. Over time, high triglycerides may lead to insulin resistance, fatty liver disease, and even pancreatitis. Now here is the good news. Extra virgin olive oil has been shown to help lower both LDL cholesterol and triglycerides when used to replace unhealthy fats like butter, margarine, or processed oils. A study published in the journal Nutrition and Metabolism found that people who consumed extra virgin olive oil daily had significant reductions in triglycerides after just a few weeks. Why? Because olive oil provides healthy monounsaturated fats, which help your body process fat better and prevent excess storage in the liver. This brings us to the liver. Your liver works hard every day to filter your blood, process nutrients, and remove toxins. But when there is too much fat, especially triglycerides, the liver stores it, leading to a condition called non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Fatty liver is now extremely common, even in people who do not drink alcohol. The good news is that olive oil may help reverse it by reducing fat accumulation and inflammation in liver cells. In one study from Spain, participants who added extra virgin olive oil to their meals showed improved liver enzyme levels and reduced fat buildup in the liver. So if you want to take care of your liver, lowering blood fat is the first step, and just 1 tablespoon of olive oil a day may help you get there. Of course, olive oil is not a miracle. It works best when combined with a healthy diet, regular movement, and avoiding excess sugar. But as a daily habit, it is simple, delicious, and powerful. Number 4. Bone and joint support. When we talk about bone and joint health, olive oil may not be the first thing that comes to mind. But research suggests that it can be a valuable ally for your skeletal system, especially as you age. Extra virgin olive oil contains anti-inflammatory compounds like oleocanthal and polyphenols. These help reduce chronic low-grade inflammation that damages joints over time. Chronic inflammation is a silent enemy in conditions like osteoarthritis and rheumatoid arthritis. Daily consumption of olive oil may help reduce joint pain, swelling, and stiffness, especially in the knees and hands. Some studies also suggest that olive oil supports cartilage health. Cartilage is the cushion between your bones. When it wears down, bones rub together, causing pain and limiting movement. Polyphenols in olive oil may slow this degeneration and support better mobility. Beyond joints, olive oil may protect bones from thinning, a key factor in osteoporosis. It helps the body absorb fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin D and K, both of which are critical for strong bones. Vitamin K supports bone mineralization, while vitamin D helps calcium stay in the bones rather than leaching out into the blood. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism found that people who consumed a Mediterranean diet rich in olive oil had higher levels of osteocalcin, a marker of bone formation. This suggests that olive oil may help promote new bone growth and prevent age-related bone loss. Unlike calcium supplements or pain medications, olive oil does not carry side effects when used in moderation. It is a food, easy to add to your diet every day. Use it in salad dressings, drizzle over steamed vegetables, or stir into soup before serving. If you are concerned about joint stiffness in the morning, creaky knees going upstairs, or if you have a family history of osteoporosis, adding 1 spoon of olive oil to your daily routine might be a simple, natural step in the right direction. Number 5. Digestive support. Better absorption. Less constipation. Many people overlook the role of olive oil in digestion. But this simple oil does more than just flavor your food. Olive oil supports your digestive system in 2 powerful ways. First, it improves nutrient absorption. The healthy fats in extra virgin olive oil help your intestines absorb fat-soluble vitamins, like A, D, E, and K, more efficiently. These vitamins play vital roles in vision, bone strength, immunity, and blood clotting. Second, olive oil can help prevent constipation. When taken in moderation, it acts as a gentle natural laxative. It softens stools, lubricates the intestines, and helps food move more easily through your gut. This makes it especially helpful for older adults or those with irregular bowel movements. Research has backed up these effects. A study published in the Journal of Renal Nutrition found that olive oil consumption was associated with improved bowel habits among patients undergoing dialysis. Other small trials suggest that a spoon of olive oil may work as well as over-the-counter fiber supplements in reducing mild constipation. Importantly, olive oil is a gentle option. Unlike strong chemical laxatives, it does not create dependency. It also does not interfere with your natural digestive rhythm. To support digestion, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil in the morning, or added to meals, can be a simple and effective habit. Of course, drinking a spoon of oil directly may not appeal to everyone. Try adding it to a salad. Drizzle it on steamed vegetables, or mix it into a smoothie. Small changes can lead to lasting comfort. A healthy gut means better absorption of nutrients, less bloating, and a more regular daily rhythm. When it comes to olive oil, more is not always better. 1 tablespoon a day is enough to support your health without adding too many extra calories. Extra virgin olive oil is the best choice. It is the least processed, retains the most antioxidants, and has the strongest anti-inflammatory benefits. You can use it in several simple ways. Drizzle it over your salad. Mix it with lemon juice for a healthy dressing. Add it to cooked vegetables or use it to finish soups. Or just take 1 spoon in the morning on an empty stomach. Avoid using it for deep frying. High heat can destroy its beneficial compounds. If you have digestive problems or are not used to taking oil directly, start with half a spoon and increase gradually. Also, be mindful of your total fat intake. If you are already eating a high-fat diet, adding more oil may not be helpful. But if your diet is low in healthy fats, then 1 spoon of olive oil a day can make a meaningful difference. As with anything in health, consistency matters more than quantity. Just 1 spoon a day, every day, is the key. Olive oil is generally safe for most people when used in normal food amounts. However, there are a few cases where caution is necessary. If you are on blood-thinning medication, such as warfarin or aspirin, you should consult your doctor before regularly consuming large amounts of olive oil. This is because olive oil contains small amounts of vitamin K, which may interfere with the effectiveness of blood-thinning medications. Although the vitamin K content in olive oil is not high, daily use in large doses may still affect blood clotting balance in sensitive individuals. People with bleeding disorders should also be careful. In rare cases, excessive olive oil may increase bleeding risk during surgery or in case of injury. If you are unsure whether olive oil is right for you, especially if you take prescription medications, talk to your healthcare provider. Moderation and proper guidance are key to safe use. 1 simple habit, 1 spoon, 5 major benefits. That is the power of just 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil each day. It is not a miracle cure, but it is a smart, natural support that works silently in the background, day after day. It can help reduce inflammation, lower blood pressure, improve cholesterol balance, support digestion, and even protect your brain as you age. Small, consistent steps like this matter more than extreme diets or short-term fixes. And the best part? It is easy to do. No pills, no complicated routines, just 1 spoon of olive oil, taken in the morning or used in your meals. Try it for a few weeks. Give your body time to feel the difference. And if you found this video helpful, do not forget to click like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more daily health tips. Your small action today may lead to a big change tomorrow.